When this type of problem was presented to Allie, it looked like a lot of numbers and many equations, like a lot of math all at once, when indeed it's not more than 3 numbers to be rearranged in related ways. It was this visual that enabled Allie to focus on filling in one place of one equation at a time without feeling overwhelmed. This visual presented the answers, where each number would go. When learning fact families, the focus is not on solving the equation, but rather being familiar with the number sense as how each number relates to the other in an equation. My name is Mimi Samsoneth, and you're watching How Allie Learned Fact Families Using One Effective Visual on One Mom's Perspective. Before the fact family visual was introduced, Allie was provided a demonstration on the fact that she would be learning how numbers relate to each other in addition and subtraction equations. This demonstration was much less crowded than the 4-equation fact family's math problems with all the missing numbers. This demonstration was a review and reminder that Allie only needed to find one missing number, then one other missing number at a time instead of all at once.
It was fun.
Yeah, good job. You got it, honey. 2 plus 1 equals...
equals 3.
Let's write the large number here. That is the large number. 3 minus 1 equals...
1 equals 2.
You got it.
When the biggest number is the answer.
This visual is broken into 2 learning parts. First, Allie would recite the visual and practice until she recognized where the biggest number goes in an equation. Then, Allie would practice turning the smaller numbers around.
The number is before the minus. Smallest numbers can turn around.
Good knowing your fact families. Allie practiced recognizing placement of the largest number first. She would recognize and write the largest number only to learn where the largest or biggest number goes first in each equation. The 2 smaller numbers aren't needed as part of the exercise until Allie confidently knew where the biggest number was placed in the addition and subtraction equations. Now let's check it, honey. It says when add, biggest number is the answer. Is 12 the biggest number?
Yeah.
Is it the answer?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It says when minus, biggest number is before the minus sign. Is your 12 before the minus sign? Yes, it is. Allie, you did that all by yourself. And good checking, too. As Allie had practiced with just the biggest number, now let's do the smaller numbers. Next, she would practice with just the 2 smaller numbers, separately, without paying any attention to the biggest number or the rest of the equation. Allie, you can do this all by yourself. Good saying, turn around.
1 plus 3. Turn around. 3 plus 1.
Yay! You did it all. High five.
I did it all.
Yes, you did. In school, the terminologies whole, part instead of biggest, smaller were used. What is whole? What is part? These were terms Allie did not yet have in her math vocabulary.
I switched it around.
Good, switching the parts around. Using the terms biggest, smaller were understandable to Allie in how they relate to numbers. Add, put the whole number is the answer. After Allie was able to recognize the biggest and smaller numbers while consistently and comfortably rearranging the numbers in the fact families. When subtract the whole numbers before the minus. She would then be able to hear and use the terms whole, part to biggest, smaller interchangeably in a way that would make sense to her. Allie, you did it all by yourself.
Mom. Turn.
So proud. Oh, you're checking it now. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome, honey. How proud I am of you. Thanks for watching.